This is Corey Watson with another review. Today I am reviewing Iron Man Mech Lego. And here is Slush with me. What's up? Yeah. Another review of a building toy. Lego again. So yes, this is the Iron Man Mech. Very awesome. He was released last year. Yes. He's a very nice. He has all that good design and stuff. Some of the prints I had to stick them on, except the one on his chest. I like the design of this guy. Red, gold, and gray pieces. Mostly the red and gold. This is a very awesome Lego Mech. Just like, as I said before, I played with Legos before. I tried to build this Lego Ninjago set a long time. And he also has a cannon on his shoulders that he could shoot Lego pieces out of. On the back looks nice as well. Very nice. It wasn't that hard putting him together. It's a small set after all. So yes, what do you think of this guy? Man, he's awesome. He's rad, man. Another Iron Man. Wow, he might be better than the Silver Sun. Oh wait, he can't be better than that guy. Sorry. You're cool and all, but you're not better than the Silver Silver. So yes, he could move it as well. And he also comes with instructions. Those are 3 thirds pieces that he used in his cannon. He can shoot out of. You could put those 3 stud pieces in the cannon. It fills up to 3 of them. And then you have that piece at the back. You push in, then they fire. That's how it works. Nice gimmick that they did with this figure. Nice feature. And also these light blue pieces are his repulsor glass, where you could shoot blue and shoot lasers at them. Very nice. You could also move his fingers as well. You could do awesome poses with this guy. Very nice poses. And that's the minifigure that comes with it. He also has 2 repulsor glass sections, light blue. His design looks nice, very accurate, monitored Iron Man. The monitor. Modern day Iron Man. Great God, it's hard to say. On the back looks nice as well. I really like this figure. Very nice. Yeah, man. This guy's so tiny, man. Very nice. I played with Legos before, but the Lego series I enjoyed the most was Mixers. So now, very nice. Now it's time for comparisons. Wait, actually, we need to check his size first. While he's wearing his mech, he's about 4 feet tall. He's almost there to 5 feet, but he's 4 feet tall. So, and the little minifigure, he's like 1 feet tall. Very small. So yeah, here he is with Glober, the Mixel, Series 4, the Glokis. Very nice. And here he is with Stormer 2.0 Hero Factory. But this one is from China. Very nice. And here we have Silver Saturn Iron Man saying it. Very nice. I enjoyed that figure from last year. Good thing I compared these two. So yes, I'm gonna have to give him 10 out of 10. Even sometimes when I try to move him, the arm pieces pull apart, but he's not a bad figure at all. You could do many poses with him. It's gonna be fun doing stop motion with this guy. And oh yeah, and he also comes with instructions, and there's a code on it for the website, of course, or the app. And also it comes with other figures like Lego Marvel Spider-Man, and he also has a mech as well. You see Spider-Man mech, and also other Lego sets. And then we have Lego Adventures, the Thanos mech, and other Lego sets that I might make future review stop motion. So I hope you like this video and everything. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.